Hello, I'm Matteo, the Chief Mobile Opinionist here at Tech Travel Geeks, and today we're going to unbox and review a TUDIA USB sync and charge cable which TUDIA have sent us for review. Right then, so the package is fairly simple and has very little in terms of plastic on it. That's good to see. So the plastic sleeve, or sorry, the cardboard sleeve on the outside just shows you a USB cable, and on the left it shows you that it's USB Type-C to USB-A. And the cardboard box on the inside has, very simply, very little plastic. It's just a little cardboard TUDIA branded cable tie and the TUDIA cable itself. Now this is a sort of rubberized standard plastic cable. As we saw in the packaging, it's USB Type-A to USB Type-C with some TUDIA branding on there, so it's on the USB Type-C end. And in terms of cables, this is actually quite a sturdy one, as my first impressions show. What we're going to do is plug the USB-A side into my Alxum charger, which is on my desk, and plug it into a device. Let's pick one that needs a bit of a charge. So this is my Google Pixel 7 Pro. I'm going to plug the TUDIA cable in. Ironically, this is the TUDIA case we recently reviewed on the Tech Travel Geeks YouTube channel. So the cutout for the TUDIA cable is more than enough. Now, we'll just give it a moment so that the charging starts. And as you can see, my Google Pixel 7 Pro says that it is charging rapidly. That means that the TUDIA cable is taking more than 15 watt charge from the Alxum charger that we have on my desk and charging my Google Pixel 7 Pro rapidly. So at the moment we're at 73% and it should be fully charged in about an hour. So great, that's a good first thing to do. What I'll do is now try a transfer of data, in this case from the Google Pixel 7 Pro to my PC, of a large file. I'll see what the throughput rate is and get back to you. Right then, so I'm back, and I can say that the TUDIA does a really decent job. I transferred a large file, in this case it was a walkthrough of an airport, a video that may soon be on the Tech Travel Geeks YouTube channel. And the large file, which was in excess of 10 gigabytes, just took a few minutes to transfer from the Google Pixel 7 Pro in its TUDIA case to my PC. So I'm very happy with the performance of this cable, both in terms of data and charging. It's one I can recommend, and I'll be putting it in my cable bag for my next trip, which should be later this month. So if you'd like to see more coverage of not only TUDIA products, but any accessories, gadgets, things we think makes the travel experience better, please do subscribe to the Tech Travel Geeks here on YouTube. But for now, thanks for watching and goodbye from me.